How to add funds on Bullx. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to add your funds inside of Bullx so you could simply create transactions, start trading, and so on and so forth. So what you're going to do, as you can see here, we're simply going to click on the hamburger icon over here on the top right. Click on this and you will see our menu over here. Click on your wallet manager and you will see here your current value or how much you currently have in different currencies, as you can see. And to be able to add funds, simply click on add funds button over here and just simply scan your QR code over here or your ID and enter it on your wallets that you currently have funds from. So simply scan this and then you will be able to add funds into your Bullx. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.